Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube in easy steps. So there are just 6 steps you can see here, plus making corners, second layer, and third layer we have 3 steps. So before getting into that, we'll see some basic thing about cube. There are 6 colors in a 3 by 3. We'll call it 3 layers are there. So we have to solve layer by layer, and these things like the single color piece we'll call it as center, and 2 color piece we'll call it as edges, and 3 color piece we'll call it as corners. And regarding notations, if you see, this is right movement, right prime, left movement, left prime, up movement, up prime, down movement, down prime, front prime, and this is the back side. We won't use it much. Yeah. So now let's start with, we have to make a plus on top. So this I kept already in a solved cube. This is how we have to make it. We need to match it with respective centers. Yeah, here we'll check white with other color pieces. Here we have white with red. It's in second layer. Need to take it to bottom layer. So we'll make a front prime. Now it is in bottom layer. We'll move to red side and rotate down layer. We got it below. Just make a front movement so that it will match with top white. Now next, here we have white with blue. So it's in left side. So just making a front movement, you can get it on top. So 2 edges we have done with. Now next, another 2. Here we have white with orange. Take it to orange side. Make a front movement. I got it on top. So this, it's not matched properly. To make it correct, we'll do set of things. Front prime, up, left prime, up prime. So now it's matching correctly. Just one more edge. We'll check in bottom layer. Yeah, here we have white with green. Just make a front. We got plus. Next step, we are going to solve the corner pieces on white. We'll check in down layer any white color piece. Here white, green, orange combo we have. This is green, but this is red side. So we'll check with orange and green. Here we have. So just move it in bottom layer, right below where it should go on top. And this is the holding position. And repeat the set of movements. Right prime, down prime, right, down. Until we get white on top, we have to repeat right prime, down prime, right, down, right prime, down prime, right, down. We got it on top, so we'll move to next. We'll check in bottom layer. Here we have white, red and green. So here we have green, red. We'll rotate. We got it. This would go over here, top. We'll move with same steps. Right prime, down prime, right, down. Right prime, down prime, right, down. Right prime, down prime, right, down. Yeah, we got it over here. Next, we'll see here we have white, blue, red, but it's not arranged properly. White should come on top. For this also, we repeat the same steps. Right prime, down prime, right, down. Right prime, down prime, right, down. Here we got it on top. Just one more corner. We'll rotate down layer. Here we have white, blue, orange. Repeat the steps. Right prime, down prime, right, down. So we got, now we are done with first layer. So we can move to second layer. So for that, I'm just keeping white in bottom. Now we have to solve second layer. Once you solve, it will look like this. We'll see what to do for that. Now this edges we have to match. So edges, either it may on top layer or in second layer itself. Here without yellow we have to check piece. This is blue with red. So let me go to blue side and rotate top layer. Now it's matching with blue. Now I'm checking either right or left it should move. It should move towards right. So just repeat this movements. Up, right, up prime, right prime, up prime, front prime, up, front. Now we got it in the place. Now let's check another edge piece. Here we have without yellow, that is blue and orange. So we'll move to blue side, rotate top layer. Now it should go towards left. There are set of algorithms: up prime, left prime, up, left, up, front, up prime, front prime. So we got it in the place where it should go. Now let's check in top layer. Here we have green with red. It should go towards left. So for doing that, up prime, left prime, up, left, up, front, up prime, front prime. So here it is. Now last piece. This is in right place but not arranged properly. So we have to repeat the steps twice. Up, right, up prime, right prime, up prime, front prime, up, front. Now you can check in top layer. Now we got this green on top. How to go right? So repeat the steps. Up, right, up prime, right prime, up prime, front prime, up, front. So here we got it. Now we have to do yellow plus. This case we got yellow already. Let me show you how you can get if you are not having it on top. There are 3 cases you will be getting. That I will just show you. Yeah, here you can get a dot, or we will be having a L shape, or we will be having a I shape. Let me show you each one of them. Now if you have dot, you have to repeat the case 3 times. If you have a L shape, you have to repeat 2 times. And if you have a I shape, just single time you have to do. Let me start with this dot case. Front, right, up, right prime, up prime, front prime. So once I do dot case, I will get L. So this L, I have to hold it like this. Now repeat the same set of algorithms. Front, right, up, right prime, up prime, front prime. So I got I case. If I have I case, just one more time I need to do. Same algorithm, front, right, up, right prime, up prime, front prime. So now I have yellow plus. We don't need to bother about corners. Now once we done with plus, we have to move for edges. Edges, if you see here, this is not matching, this one matching, this one not again. So we'll make a up movement. At least 2 edges will match for you. Yeah, here we are done with. Orange and blue are matching with the place. So one I'm keeping in back side, another one in right side. This is the holding position. I have to do this movements. Right, up, right prime, up, right, up, right prime, up. So now you can see all 4 edges are matching in their places. We'll move to corners. So in corners, you can check any of them in correct position. So here yellow, green and red, it's in correct position but not arranged properly. That is yellow not on top. This is not the place for this. This also not the place. This is also not the place for this corner. So only one is in correct position. So that you keep in top right corner and repeat this step. Up, right, up prime, left prime, up, right prime, up prime, left. Now you check, you got it. This is in right place, this is in right place. This has been arranged properly. In case if you are not getting this corners in right place, you just keep the right one in top right corner and repeat it again, so you will get it done. Now the last step we are going to do, this is in correct position. These three we have to arrange. Hope you remember the top when we solve white corners what we have done. Right prime, down prime, right down. Same here I am going to repeat. Right prime, down prime, right down, right prime, down prime, right down. Here we got yellow on top. Now make one up movement. So we'll solve this one. Right prime, down prime, right down, right prime, down prime, right down. Now we got this yellow. Now the last one, right prime, down prime, right down, right prime, down prime, right down. Yeah, it's done. Yeah, now hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. If you like, click like button and subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you for all watching.